I'd do the same thing. It's a Galant. Yo, what is up guys? Today we are finally taking the Galant out for a bit of a spin. There's not much of a purpose or a point behind this video other than footage of me driving it, because quite frankly it doesn't get out of the garage enough. You guys would have seen the top 5 dislikes video. That video had sat in my private videos for months before I finally decided to release it. I did feel as if it was a bit too scathing at first, but in all honesty it's just the truth, and I figured you guys would be interested in hearing my opinion. Oh, it is bright. If I put my sunshade down you guys can't see. Oh, no highway patrol, just fucking go for it. Oh my god, what a car though. Guy's flashing me. Why is he flashing me? Is he a cop? Please don't be a cop. Does he have an issue or? Ah, it's Jono. He does not have an issue. This man submitted the mighty RAV that he's currently in to the Rate My Ride video I made a while ago. My subscribers to send in pictures of your cars. Everyone has to do it. None of you are exempt. Well, Jono, if you're watching this, the RAV looks mighty, but we should race. Oh, MPS 6 looks nice. I know that a lot of you guys are here for the Galant, and obviously I haven't been posting a lot. Hey, how's that? I love that. That right there is a really fun part of driving a fun car. Be more like that guy, he's sick. Yeah, the one thing about dailying a car with a wide open blow-off valve is you just get nervous, especially in these built-up areas where highway patrol are likely to be. On a car like this, which hits boost pretty much as soon as you touch the accelerator, it does get a little stressful. Matt's painting and decorating service. Wonder if he'd help with the Integra. Otherwise it's probably going to sit there for another 6 months before anything actually happens to it. Nah, I joke. It's been 6 months since I attempted to start it, but we really kicked it into gear recently, so I have high hopes. I'm optimistic about this one. That guy in the scooter would get done so hard because he wasn't wearing a helmet, and I'm pretty sure that like if you ride these on the roads it counts as an unregistered vehicle or something, and you can get like a $700+ fine for that. Damn, sounded good at least. Oh, Ninja 400 sounds like ass, but it looks so good. Yeah, I hate to say it, but parallel twins, not a huge fan of them, even though I ride one. Ooh! Dose a little for the school kids. And I remember when I was a kid, I would snap my neck at anything with an exhaust on it. Even if it was a Magna with an exhaust leak. To be honest, I actually still do that, so not much has changed.
Hey, congrats on making it this far into the video. Its purpose was meant to be entirely different, but I lost 90% of the footage because I had to have my sun visor down, and that could not be helped. But that being said, I'm going to remake this in the future. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.